Want a faster way to restore your car's shine? Today, we're checking out Chemical Guy's VSS One-Step Scratch and Swirl Remover. It helps remove light scratches, swirls, oxidation, and holograms while polishing paint in one step. Let's see how it makes dull paint look clean, smooth, and glossy. Okay, let's dive into the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Chemical Guy's VSS One-Step Scratch and Swirl Remover. Chemical Guy's VSS One-Step Scratch and Swirl Remover is a time-saving compound and polish made to restore paint gloss in one step. It is designed to remove light to moderate scratches, swirls, oxidation, and holograms while finishing down to a smooth, high-gloss surface. Because it combines cutting power with polishing ability, it reduces the need for separate correction and finishing products. The formula is safe for clear coat, single-stage paint, and ceramic-coated finishes, making it suitable for cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, RVs, and more. VSS can be applied by hand or with a machine polisher, though larger areas will usually benefit from machine use. It is especially helpful for vehicles with dull paint, wash marks, or minor defects that need a quick refresh. For deeper scratches, multiple passes or stronger correction may be required. Overall, Chemical Guy's VSS is a practical choice for car owners and detailers who want cleaner paint, better clarity, and restored shine without adding extra polishing steps during weekend washing or maintenance routines. For better results on many vehicle finishes and regular detailing projects overall. Moving on at number 4, we have the Meguiar's Mirror Glaze M105 Ultracut Compound. Meguiar's Mirror Glaze M105 Ultracut Compound is a professional-grade rubbing compound made for serious paint correction. It is designed to remove moderate to heavy defects such as scratches, severe swirls, oxidation, holograms, acid rain marks, and sanding marks up to 1200 grit or finer. The formula uses super micro-abrasive technology to provide fast cutting power while helping reduce additional swirling. Unlike basic consumer products, M105 is intended for users who need stronger correction and a high-quality finish on glossy paint and clear coats. It can be used by hand, rotary buffer, or dual-action polisher, giving detailers flexibility depending on the job. The compound works quickly and leaves behind a mirror-like gloss that prepares the paint for additional polishing, waxing, or sealing. Because it is powerful, careful application and proper technique are important for best results. Meguiar's M105 is an excellent option for experienced DIY users and professionals who need reliable performance on tougher paint defects and want a cleaner, brighter showroom-style finish with less correction time on demanding jobs and neglected vehicles, especially before final polishing stages and protection too. At number 3, we have the Meguiar's Quick Scratch Eraser Kit. Meguiar's Quick Scratch Eraser Kit is built for car owners who want to remove light scratches, scuffs, and surface blemishes with less hand polishing. The kit includes Scratch X, a drill-mounted scratch eraser pad, and a microfiber towel, giving users a simple system for quick paint improvement. The pad attaches to a standard household drill, allowing the product to work faster and more evenly than manual rubbing alone. It is clear coat safe and suitable for glossy paints, making it a friendly option for DIY car care. This kit is especially useful for small problem areas such as door handle scratches, light scuffs, paint transfer, and minor surface marks. After correction, following up with wax can help protect the finish and add extra shine. It is not intended for deep scratches, but for fine defects it can make a visible difference. Meguiar's Quick Scratch Eraser Kit offers a practical way to refresh paint, save effort, and improve a vehicle's clean, polished look at home without needing expensive tools or detailing services for quick weekend touch-ups, maintenance, and shine restoration for everyday vehicles. At number 2, we have the Carfidant Scratch Repair and Swirl Remover. Carfidant Scratch Repair and Swirl Remover is a convenient paint restoration kit made for vehicle owners who want to improve their car's appearance at home. It is designed to remove light scratches, swirl marks, water spots, and everyday paint imperfections that can make a vehicle look older than it is. The kit includes a buffer pad and a specially formulated polishing compound, so users have the basic tools needed to start the repair process right away. Beyond scratch removal, the product also helps restore gloss and shine, bringing dull paint closer to its original brilliance. It can be used on all paint colors, making it a flexible option for cars, trucks, and other vehicles. The formula is made for light surface damage, not deep scratches that cut through the paint, so expectations should be realistic. For small cosmetic issues, however, it offers an easy and affordable DIY solution. Carfidant Scratch Repair and Swirl Remover is a practical choice for maintaining a cleaner, smoother, and brighter vehicle finish between regular washes, waxing sessions, and detailing appointments at home or garage care. And finally, at number 1, we have the Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. Meguiar's Ultimate Compound is designed for drivers who want to restore dull, scratched, or neglected paint without needing professional detailing experience. This pro-grade paint correction compound uses advanced microabrasive technology to remove scratches, swirls, oxidation, water spots, and other below-surface defects, while leaving behind a clear, glossy finish. It works on both single-stage paint and clear coats, making it useful for a wide range of vehicles. One of its biggest advantages is that it cuts quickly without creating the haze often left by traditional rubbing compounds. Users can apply it by hand for small areas, or with a dual-action polisher for faster results on larger panels. The formula helps bring back color, clarity, and shine, giving faded paint a cleaner, newer appearance in minutes. It is especially helpful before waxing, because it prepares the surface for better protection and deeper gloss. For car owners looking for an effective DIY solution, Meguiar's Ultimate Compound is a strong choice for restoring paint and improving overall vehicle appearance after routine washes, road wear, and seasonal exposure damage on daily drivers and enthusiasts alike.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.